Hi everybody, my name is Miss Moran and today we're going to be learning about the Ch-Digraph. And I know that's a really fancy word. What it basically means is a blend. So it's a blend of two letters that don't really make sense when they're away from each other, but when they come together, they make a really cool sound. So if you're looking for the standard, it's right down below, right under my name, RF13A. That's what we're going to be learning today. So let's get started. So our goal of today's lesson is that you, the student, will be able to blend the two letters CH together when pronouncing words with the digraph CH. So we know what C sounds like when it's all by himself. He sounds like K, like cat. And H sounds like H, like hat. But when we put them together, they make a new sound, and that is ch, ch, like chip. So, can you guys say it with me? Can you say ch, ch? Good job. So, today, I have my friend. This is Thompson the lobster. He's pretty cool. And he's going to be helping us pronounce a few words that have the digraph CH in it. Okay, Thompson, I think you should take over for this slide and you should tell the students what each picture is. He said yes. Okay, you go first. Cherry. Cherry. Good job. So, let's think. Does the word cherry have the sound ch in it? Ch-airy. Ch-airy. I think it does. What do you think? Yes. The word cherry has the digraph CH in it. It's the first two letters in the word. Now, you do the second one. Chair. Chair. Do you guys think chair has the digraph CH in it? Yeah, it does. Ch-air. CH. Chair. So, let's look at the last one. A chicken. No, that's a baby chicken. It's called a chick. Does chick have the digraph CH in it, Thompson? Yes, it does. So all three of these words, or all three of these things, in their name, they have the digraph CH in it. Ch-airy for cherry, ch-air, chair, and chick for chick. So on this next one, I want you guys to read these two, this one object and this one animal. I want you to say their names. Say them out loud with me, and then I want you to tell me if these two things have the digraph CH in their name. Ready? Cheetah. 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 It does! It does have the digraph CH in its name. Great job! This next one is chalk. Chalk. What do you think? Yeah, it does. Again, it's the first two letters. Chalk. All right, guys. So now we're going to play a little game. I'm going to show you a few pictures, and on each slide, there's going to be an object, a piece of food, a place, and I want you guys to say that object or place or food out loud. And I want you to figure out if whatever picture I'm showing you in their name has the digraph CH in it. So let's go first with this picture. This is a piece of cheese. Now you tell me, does this object have a CH in its name? It does. Cheese. Cheese. What about this? This is a place. It does. Church. Church has the digraph CH in its name. Let's keep going. What about this one? No, right? No, this is a snowflake. It doesn't have a CH in its name. Now, this one can be kind of tricky. Make sure you say the whole word out loud, okay? It does. Now, where does this CH appear in this word? Does it appear at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word? That's right, at the end of the word. Sandwich. Sandwich. Remember, when you put C and H together, it sounds like ch. Yeah, let's keep going. All right, this is our last one. Does CH appear in this word? No, right? This is just water. There's no CH in this one. All right, guys, that's it. You did such a great job today. Thompson and I are so proud of you. So, what did we learn today? We learned that C and H is a digraph, or a blend of two letters that make two different sounds when they're apart, but when they're together, they make one sound. When C and H are together, what sound do they make? Ch. That's right. Good job. So, excuse me. We saw several different pictures that have several different objects, foods, places that in their name they have the digraph CH. Now, I want you to think of a place or a food or something that you see in your everyday life that in their name it has the digraph CH in it. I'll go first. When I go to McDonald's, I always order a cheeseburger. And in the word cheeseburger, there's CH in its name. So, next time you guys are out with mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, aunt and uncle, brother, sister, whoever you go out with, I want you to look around and look at the signs and the billboards and maybe the menu if you're out to lunch, dinner, or breakfast, and try to find a word that has the digraph CH in their name. Now, in our next lesson, I'm going to be teaching you about trigraphs. Now, that's going to be a really, really fun lesson, and I'm so excited to teach you about it because you guys did such a great job today. I'll see you all later. Have a great weekend, and remember, stay safe, wash your hands, and wear your mask.